Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve when 72 power x times 48 power y is equals to 6 power x and y, where x and y are non-zero number and we have to find the value of x plus y. So let's start with the today's video and please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So first I'm going to convert 72 as in terms of 2 and 3. So 72 we can write it as 8 times 9 or 8 is 2 power 3 times 9 is 3 power 2. Similarly 48 we can write it as 16 times 3. 16 we can write as 2 power 4 times 3 power 5. Now the next is 6 we can write it as 2 times 3. Now I am going to replace 72 with 2 power 3 times 3 power 2 and 48 with 2 power 4 times 3 power 1 and 6 with 2 times 3. Now I'm going to write it here. So 2 power 3 multiply 3 power 2 whole power is x times 48 I can write 2 power 4 times 3 power 1 whole power is y which equals to 2 times 3 power xy. Now we have property of exponent that if a times b power is x, we can write it as a power x times b power x. So I'm going to apply this rule here. So we can write it as 2 power 3x multiply 3 power 2x multiply 2 power 4y multiply 3 power y is equals to 2 power xy multiply 3 power xy. Now the values who have same base and there is a multiplication sign in between, so we can add the power. So we can write 2 power 3x plus 4y times, in case of 3 we can write this 3 power 2x plus y is equals to 2 power xy plus 3 power xy. Now if I compare the base, so 2 is equals to 2, so the power is 2 power 3x plus 4y is equals to 2 power xy. If the base are equal, that means the power are also equal. So we can write 3x plus 4y is equals to xy. And consider this as equation 1. Now comes to the 3 power. 3 power is 2x plus y is equals to 3 power xy and 2x plus y is equals to xy. Now we take this as equation number 2. So if I compare these two equations, then we can write it as, if we subtract the equation number 1 from equation number 2, so we can write 3x plus 4y minus 2x minus y is equals to xy minus xy. So 3x minus 2x is x, 4y minus y is plus 3y, it's equals to 0. So the value of x in terms of y is minus 3y. Now I'm going to put the value of x is equals to minus 3y in equation number first. So 3x plus 4y is equals to xy. So 3 minus 3y plus 4y is equals to xy. Here in place of x, I can also write minus 3y times y. Minus 9y plus 4y is equals to minus 3y square. Here minus 5y plus 3y square is equals to 0. If I take y common, then minus 5 plus 3y is equals to 0. So we have two roots, either y is equals to 0 or minus 5 plus 3y is equals to 0. So from here, y is equals to 0 is first answer, and from here, y is equals to 5 by 3. So as we know in the question, this is given that the x and y are non-zero number. So that means y can not be 0. So the value of y we consider at y is equals to 5 by 3. So I'm going to put it in x and find the value of x also. So x is equals to minus 3y. So minus 3 times 5 by 3, that is minus 5. We have to find the value of x plus y. So x is minus 5 plus y is 5 by 3. So if I take the LCM, it is minus 15 plus 5, that is minus 10 by 3. So the value of x plus y is minus 10 by 3. I hope it's clear. And now you can solve this type of question. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you.